So AI has a dash preference.
Or is this just like the next tool, like the typewriter, except that it's more ubiquitous, is being used more now?
I'll jump in and say I'm first of all, I'm bringing my Dartmouth English major perspective onto this one. And so I'm declaring authority of some sort here. And one of the major authorities on style of writing that if among us English majors, it's a very familiar tome, Elements of Style by Strunk and White, required reading. And, that follows a very simple directive that Strunk put forward, which is omit needless words. Vigorous writing is concise. A sentence should contain no unnecessary words. A paragraph, no unnecessary sentences. For the same reason that a drawing should have no unnecessary lines and a machine, no unnecessary parts. End quote. So that is really what the machine that AI is doing is. It's not following that specific directive, but it's been trained to do something very specific. It's supposed to be helpful, explanatory, and accessible and conversational. By accessible and conversational, we mean mimic to the best degree possible in whatever language you're speaking, a natural and conversational tone while restricting your outputs to something that's explanatory. So it's no surprise to me that it's using M dashes. M dashes are more reflective of conversational rather than formal exposition in writing. Okay, so the M dash, I use the M dash in my writing, and I'm offended that there's such a backlash against it and that I'm going to be accused of being an AI automaton because I use it. Look, the dash is there to express a clear break in thought, and you can use commas. That's the formal way. If you were writing an academic paper, you would not use an M dash. You would have to use commas, semicolons, and colons correctly. But a dash is done for emphasis, and it's done as an explanation, like a parenthetical explanation, but without de-emphasizing as parentheses do. Like, oh, this is just an aside. That's what a parens means. But a dash says, no, this is main line, but I'm going to explain something to you here that's a part of this expression that I'm making here. So anyway, why does AI use M dashes?